very beautiful day today. It's kind of windy. The birds singing. The birds so happy. I'm sitting there with my baby. My baby. Yes. It's very nice today. So sunny day. If you heard the bird singing there in the tree, but even one I can see bird over there. I just heard them that it's so happy. The bird singing, dancing, I think, because it's very beautiful day today. Over there I see some dancing bird. Yeah, but over here it's not. I don't know. Oh yeah, I see now. Yeah, I see one bird now. Two. That one is singing and dancing there. Wow. Three. I think it's more than three birds singing there. Wow, so happy. The bird is so happy. God bless, nak. God bless, nak. Nagyaya man ko, nak. Kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch, guys. And then nagdesisyon akong lalabas kami kasi ang ganda ng labas. Ang ganda-ganda. Although madami pa siyang ice, ayan. Although malamig-lamig pa pag humangin kasi nga madami pang ice. Pero sobrang sarap talaga ng panahon ngayon. Ay, kung makita nyo nga, wala akong jacket. Wala akong jacket, oh. Kasi nga ang sarap-sarap talaga ng panahon ngayon today. Ngayon, oh, ang dami-dami pala. Oh, ayun, oh. Ang dami-dami. Wow. They're singing, they're dancing. Hello, birdie. Birdie. Hello, birdie. Beautiful bird singing. I wanna try zoom it if I'm gonna get it. Ay glihok nak tura ay. Dili na ako siya ma-zoom. Abi na ako live kay pwede na ako siya ma-zoom. Tura ay. I hope makita ninyo sila, guys. Ang ako nakita is four birds upstairs. They have a black one and other one is flying. Yeah, it's flying over there. Yes, a lot of bird. Wow. Wow. Hello, birdie. I know you guys are happy, same like me. And my baby too. Wow. Daghan naging langgam. Uy. Wow, now I see a lot over there. I don't know, more than 10, 20. I don't know. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang hangin lang tugnaw kayo. Oh, so cute. Right. Have a good day, guys. It's still cold outside. Even yan, oh. My skin is stand up now because it's windy. But if no wind, it's very nice. Ooh. Still a lot of ice, that's why it's cold.